Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to unpin a TikTok video from your profile. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So locate whatever video you want to unpin from your profile. So just go ahead and open it up and then select the three-dot icon on the right panel and then select the unpin option. So this video is pinned for some reason. It's not showing up as unpin, but I'm going to go ahead and just select the pin option. And again, once you pinned it, there should be an unpin option here. So go ahead and select unpin, and it should be unpinned from your profile page. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.